Hey, hi, hello everyone. I'm Abishek. I'm from VIT Chennai, and my registration number is 18MIS1077. So, I have developed a game for my lab project in game programming. So, this is a game scene. First, let me play the game. It's loading. So, this is a kind of ball game which we play in our childhood. So, the objective of this game is to uh, go through these assets and win the game. So when we pass through this point, it will show us we won. Let me show that again. See, the clouds will produce a kind of a bomb rain something, which will which will rain for every 1 second or 1.5 second. So we need to pass that, and we need to win this game, and it will show that I have won. See, so this is the game which I have developed, which is more or less a level in my game. So in future classes, I will definitely develop my game. So the rocket which is following me is another threat. See, when it hits me, it replaces me to the starting place, and when I when I go and stop at these traps, the, it will also reload my level. So I so with this I have three hazards in my game. The light gray clouds will produce the bomb hazards, and the dark cloud which is situated in the starting scene has a rocket uh, rocket spawning through the game, and with this all things chasing me, I have to win the game. So this is my basic objective of the game. So yeah, let me show my the scene. Let me show me the scene characters of my game. So this is the main camera which follows the player, which has a script camera follow script, and which has a target as a player, and next is our player. So this is my player. Let me focus it. This is a blue ball, and it has a circle collider 2D component and a rigid body component. Circle 2D component is to uh, when it falls on the ground, it acts as a circle, not sphere kind of thing. In 3D it's a sphere, in 2D it's a circle. So when it falls on this ground, it will not go past through the scene. So it will stay on the ground, and it has a script which is which has which is used to move in upward and not upward, front or back direction. It can also move upward in all direction, but since this is a ball game, I have set it to front and back, and it also has a jump script as you have seen there. And let me tell about my environment. I chosen this image as my background. Let me show you. This is my background, and I have placed three of these images. And for simplicity, kind of thing, to complete the to yeah, to develop the environment, I have set the clouds from the asset store, and this is how my game looks. And for basement, I have taken the sprites from Bayard Games, which is in the available in the asset store. So these were the sprite which I've used for my basement development. Let me show that. Here it is, autumn sprites. It has a 128 by 128 pixel sprite and a 256 by 256 and 512 and sprite. So this is the sprite which I was talking about. With this sprites only, I developed all this basement. So with this, with all, so background and clouds, which all constitute the environment, which has been put out in the, so which has been put in the same for environment for object, game object. And as far as the threat is concerned, so my first threat is this one, spikes. This is a spike which this spike has a condition collision script which will the condition collision script acts as a condition script which it simply does is when the player collides with these spikes, it will trigger some action. That action is called load level action, which load level is action is something but is nothing but which reloads the level. So the the load level action script which reloads the level to the first. So by attaching the load level action script to the condition collision script, we can reload the level. Same as I have duplicated the spikes to throughout the level. See here, here, and here also. Everywhere I developed the spikes. And for as far as threat 2 is concerned, I have bomb shooter clouds, which you have seen in the game. The bomb shooter has a spike kind of ball which shoots. The cloud has a bomb which shoots bomb. It spans every to 1.5 seconds. See, sorry, 2 seconds. It has a prefab called a bomb. Let me show the prefab. It's here. Yeah, it's here. This is the bomb. So this is a bomb prefab. It also has a level action script which reloads the level, and it also has an auto move script. We have to note that it also has an auto move script which allows it to move independently in its own game, and it also has a timed self destruct, which has 1.3 seconds. As you would have seen in my game, when the bomb falling from the clouds, it will destruct automatically after one some seconds. That that happens because of this timed self script. So yeah, now when can now the thread 3 is the rocket shooter script, rocket shooter cloud. It also has a spawning action, and threat 2, which is the bomb shooter, also has a respawning script. Let me show that. Let me show you the script here. So see, object creator area, which nothing. It means that it will create an object within this area, uh, which is um, yeah. Can you see when I focus? It I think so. It may not be shown in this video cam. Let's see. You can see the green color rectangle, which is the area in which it will fire. The respawning occurs. The bomb will come from here. The bomb will come from it. Randomly generates the bomb. So when we set the bomb prefab to the script, it randomly spawns the bomb every 2 seconds. So the same way, I have respawned the rocket again and again. This is the to differentiate from other clouds. I have made the rocket shooter cloud as black. So it also has a prefab called rocket. Let me show the rocket script. This is a. It also has a follow target. It also has a special script called follow target script. Let me show you where is that. See, it has a follow script, which the target is a player. Which is this? This one is a player. Our ball is a player, and the rocket will follow the automatically follow when the game starts because of this follow target script. And as everything, as the bomb also has a condition collision script, it also has a collision script because of the load level script here, which will reload the level. So uh, now let me show you the canvas, which is a winning canvas. It will be in the environment win trigger. So this is the win trigger. I have those. See, this is the win canvas, and it will show, it will display the as you can, as you would have seen, when I pause this level, when I pause this scene, it would have shown me here one, my name, and my name would be shown Abhishek AS 18MIS1077. It's because of this script, because of this condition area script. It because of this game object, it will produces this result. With the help of the win canvas prefab, it shows me that result. So let me play the game again. It's loading. See, first, yeah, it's a little bit difficult game. See, as soon as I go, the rocket will follow me wherever I go, and I have to pass this area and see. You are one Abhishek MIS 80 Abhishek AS 18MIS1077. Let me show that again. Yeah, it was, see, you won Abhishek AS 18MIS1077. So this is it. Uh, this is my game for my college project, college lab. So have a nice day. And this is Abhishek AS 18MIS1077 signing off. Thank you.